Zweli Ngobese. I'm coming from Operation Tutula. Sisechipi clinic namhlanje njengoba nibona ulayini umude kangaka. The reason sila namhlanje ukuthi sifuna ukulwa national foreigners around South Africa aselu nechipi clinic kuphela kodwa into esiyenzayo ukuklina wonke ama-clinic. I think nibonile kuma social media amaphilisi abanjiwe ewela asazi kade yakuphi kodwa abanjiwe amaphilisi ewela yithi esivotayo yithi esidonselwa i-tax abadonselwa tax but amaphilisi ethu ayahamba aswazi ukuthi ayakuphi. Njengamanje kunogogo abagulayo bakhona ukuthola amaphilisi, kunabantwana bayagula bakhona ukuthola amaphilisi athathwa yibo labantu bangaphandle, special abantu baseMalawi ibona abagcwala emakliniki. Bayaqoqa emakliniki onke bewahlanganise bewarephe bewafake emabhoksini bewahambise la bawahambisa khona bewadayisa. Sisho kanjalo ukuba bawadayisa ngoba phela ayikho into abayenzayo ngawo ngoba bawathatha mahala la ekliniki bewadayisa. Ungaya eDurban, ungaya ePitori, ungaya eBloemfontein, ungaya eMpumalanga, bagcwele all over labantu. So sikhathele manje labantu, that's why simile sithi thina si-Operation Tutula nomphakathi sithi sicela bebuyele emazweni abo ngoba ugovernment masikhuluma kahle akasizwa. Government njengoba sikhuluma akasizwa, ufuna ukwenza lokho afuna ukwenza khona manje uthi uzosithumela amaphoyisa asinayo i-right yokuxosha labantu bangaphandle. Ubani one-right yokuxosha abantu bangaphandle? Uye. Ubani odonsela i-tax? Yithi. Ubani ovotayo? Yithi. Ukuze ehlale lapha ebe upresident walelizwe ubani ovotile? Yithi. The national foreigners ayivoti kodwa yena uzositshela ukuthi asinayo i-right yokuxosha labantu bangaphandle. Lelizwe yelethu lalelwa obaba omkhulu sifuna back manje, siyalwa silelizwe sifuna back, sifuna izwe lethu libuye ezandleni zethu ngendlela eyiyona. Sesikhathele manje, enough is enough. Sicela ukuthi uhulumeni esilalele masikhuluma, ivoice yomphakathi iyona ebalekile kwi-government. So sicela ukuthi ugovernment engamusa ukusidayisa ngoba lento ayenzayo uyasidayisa. Uyasidayisa ugovernment wethu, usidayisela amanye amazwe. Siyezwa yes siyavuma ukuthi yena uthi uyawuhebelana namanye amazwe. Awungitshela labantu abaqhuba inqola la emgaqweni abadayisa ama-veggie nama-fruit ba-investe ngamalini, bagcwele emabangethe ba-investe ngamalini. Iyiphi imali abayilethayo kithi? Sitholani kubona? Asitholi lutho. Badayisa ama-drugs eSouth Africa, sitholani lapho? Asitholi lutho. Benza ubugebengu, babulala abantwana, baya-hijacka, bayathumba, benza yonke lento e-wrong la eSouth Africa. Moyo ngaya lapha MTN rank uzobathola abantu baseZimbabwe bagcwele lapho babamkunzi bayabulala. End of the day government uthi abantu base-South Africa babulalayo ekubeni kuyibona babamba inkunzi kulelizwe. Iningi lakhona elibamba inkunzi abantu bangaphandle. Kunamasonto esingawazi avelaphi, abuyaphi, eNigeria, Congo, Zimbabwe, Malawi, all over South Africa kugcwele labantu ibona abasirulayo bona abasiphethe. So sesikhathele sekufike ekugcinile sicela abantu bangaphandle besihambele eSouth Africa ngepeace. Asifune impi, asifune emsindo, lezi xenophobic abakhuluma ngayo angeke izibe khona. Sicela abantu bangaphandle besiphumele eSouth Africa bephele. Ilokho esicelayo kwi-government yethu ngoba asifuni
abasematekisi nikuphi nize liyahamba endaweni yenu. Hayibo nathini nize lihamba nikuphi? Abomakweru buyelani ekhaya, ayifamba ekhaya. Aba-Agujo kuthiwa ngonje mawuthi awuhambe, aba-Akanko mabahambe. Sesikhathele man, sesikhathele, sesidinga indawo yethu. Makabe sizomtshela ukuthi sesikhona, sizobuya izoba incane indawo. hands. Akunambango esizoyenza nama-foreigner kuleso. Commanders morning. Commanders morning. Ngiyazwakala ngale move. So my commander, we are here today. And angithi niyabona ukuthi sine what has supposed to be South African police services, mara they have turned to be foreigners police services.
Yes.
So sibacelile escort basithumela lena le. But namhlanje baningi ukudlula thina. So asiyazi yini le ngaka eprotector enza ukuthi ba protect ama foreigner kangaka ukudlula thina. During the week I was in and out of La Rosettenville. Izindlu zihijackiwe ama van wala eMoffat View ayagijima eTradini, but they are doing nothing about it. Mase sithi thina senza something, they want to stop us. Izolo one of our commander ngifuna ukumfaka engozini today was visited by ama hawks and they phoned us bathi yini lenza mkuyenza. So bebathi bayom arrest kahle kahle bathi we are inciting violence. There's nothing about inciting violence when we are saying we're going to reclaim what belongs to us. La sinobaba ubabulenze owashiya indlu wayishiya lo mlungu wahlala kuyo for 20 something years, 23 years, but kwafika amakhongo nama Nigeria bamkhipha like nothing. This very same police station ayikwazi ukumnceda. So it means we are on our own. So my commanders, I'm asking, Guti, sikushiwe today. Now it must be clear, ngifuna ukunitshela nje straight ukuthi sikushiwe. Anything engane wrong soyenza, they will want to hold us against you on lonto le and sizoboshwa. Ne? Abayikhulumi, but I know for a fact ukuthi into abazofuna ukuyenza. They want to disorganize us. Bazofuna ukushanga ama tear gas, bazofuna ukushanga ama rubber bullet because they good at doing that. Angithi ama rubber bullet abasebenza kuma South Africans kuma foreigner wasebenzi. Morning.
Yabashaya.
So ayikho into wrong. Masuka la. Sizondlula kune drug dent somewhere ngapha. Sizondlula nje kuyo because our main focus today is in. From there, siya eRosettenville where a flat in lokuqala there's about 6 units. Futhi the owner is here. Ulwile this thing for about 4 years. Aloka gijima kuye le police station but abamsizi nganix. Bamthumela kuma sheriff, ama sheriff afuna imali. In order for you to evict umuntu okuhijackela indawo, you kumele ube nemali yokumkhipha lo muntu. Ibill yakhe ku City Power neyamanzi isi over 200,000. So akekho umuntu omsizayo. That's why I need to be on our own. So lapho kuzomela esihambeni siyosebenzani khona mabaphuma abantu. Asilwi nomuntu makhomani. Abantu mabaphume. Mangabe une resistant, we'll have it as team ezodila nabo. But we're not going to have a mob psychology namhlanje ukuthi sihambe siyolwa nabantu.